from the makers of WISELUME is app-driven Google and Alexa Assist is Sconce. Going to open this up, show you what you get, how nicely it's packed inside the box. You have an instruction guide to simply go over in detail how to hook your product up. You're given 2 small hardware kits, a photo cell because it's dusk to dawn, right angle, anchors, wire nuts, and caps, 4 RGB light bulbs, a remote control, 2 AAA batteries not included, and your rectangular design Sconce. Brackets on the back. The photo cell, clear glass, IP rated with sails. Made of aluminum alloy, black. Check online for further details about the models they make. On the inside, you're going to remove the bell house nuts. Remove the bracket from the inside. Find a location and hang. Use the appropriate holes to make it 90 degrees. With the hardware kit, you have a right angle key and open up all 4 locations. Remove the cover. Open and place on each of the smart bulbs. They are special dedicated bulbs. Place in. Feel for the locking. And they're on. With the O-ring, the cover lock back down. We have a photo cell cover that goes in over here. Testing the unit for daytime. We're ready to go hook up outside. With our demonstrations, load to load, wire nut, lockdown, neutral to neutral, lockdown. With the ground, lock down. With the photo cell facing towards your correct location, place on, put your bell house nuts back on. Turn the AC on. The lights light up, and we have the remote control pairing. We're going to hook our phone up, and we're going to show you the remote control. 2 AAA batteries are required in order to operate. With the application of Smart Life, Smart Living, sign up, register, and open the app by taking a photo in the WISELUME application guide of your remote control and app. Open the application up, follow the information provided. Log in. Once you have logged in, turn on your power. The light turns white and starts to blink in red. Bluetooth and local network continue. Allow the unit to connect. There is a plus sign. Hit the plus. Add a device. Continue. Allow using the app and your data. It finds the bulbs. It asks for your Wi-Fi, 5G or 2.4G. Connect, and both are being synced. You're going to have 4 light bulbs syncing up. We get a check mark. We're good to go. Hit done. We could turn off and on the light by hitting the off button. One light goes off, one light goes on. Change the Kelvin to warm, to cool. We have to hook up the second LED light as well. We have a color. We have red to all different types of colors and brightness levels. We can lower down the blue light and raise it all the way up. We have another brightness level here. We dim and brighten. We have the scene mode, which we can choose from: read, working, leisure, colorful, dazzling, and gorgeous. We have a music sync, so if we have a microphone hooked up to our system, it dances to the sound of my voice via the application. Going back into the scene, we have edit. We could choose different colors, choose the colors we want and the brightness levels, and set our own setup. We have a little dash here for a phone call and text. And then we hit submit and we saved our setting. We're going to set up the rest of the lights and show you what it looks like in the evening hours. Just to show you on the application, we could do a lot more than just a couple of things. We have here's launch to run, when weather changes, location changes, schedule, change the arm mode, and alarm trigger for the scenes. We have here's the remote control that we're going to have to hook up. That'd be the next thing. On the remote, this is light 1, light 2, light 3, light 4. Turn off your lights. Reconnect your light. Hold down button number 1 for 5+ seconds. The light flashes. Press. Now you can turn your lights on. RGB. Increase, decrease. Choose a scene. Night mode. Left and right of the joystick button. With the remote control, by hitting the different buttons and setting things up, you could change this to do many different things and different colors and have your unit run. The application remote control, or just have the light on. There are many different ways you could use your lights. We have the Sconce all set up for the evening hours to show you what it looks like on the remote control and application. Bluetooth driven, Google and Alexa Assist, and put your lights anywhere imaginable, in the front, in the back, by the gazebo, by the boatyard, wherever you have 110 volt AC to hook up. They come in many different colors and shapes and sizes, these products. Check online again for further detail. We'll show you what it looks like in the evening hours. Dusk to dawn lights automatically comes on, schedule when you want, and more. It's the evening hours and we have the lights all set up and we're just going through the colors that we have here. Now we're able to dim one down, increase the other, and choose the colors. We can add a scene to it. As you can see, it's changing and doing different things. I'm going to turn on one light, that's the bottom, and the other light, that's the top. I go to the scenes. I could create a scene. I could dim it, increase it, pick a color, dim the light at the bottom, and so forth. There's a lot I can do with this. Do a music scene so you can listen to my voice and dance to the colors and all. Or choose white for the bottom. So I'm going to go to red, or this color here. I'm going to go to the top one, and I'm going to choose one of the scenes that allow it to do its coloring, or I can go to the thing and dim it and do this all separately and keep it equal to the other, or change it to a different color. In the back we have the Sconce with the remote control. We need to switch over to the first one, and then we're able to control and choosing the RGBs we like. We've seen what the application could do, and this is the light lit up in the back. I hope you enjoy the outdoor Sconce. They're IP rated, water weather resistant, and more. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are after.